welcome back to my vlog. This week actually I am feeling a little bit down, so I'm thinking of spending more time with myself and do some healing activities at home, and hopefully I can recharge my body and mind by the end of this video. So let's start today. Look what I have got. Tattoo sticker. I really like these two hands. I'm also going to stick these two here. So this is left hand, right hand, something like that. So cute. Look at this. I think I bought it like 5 years ago, so I guess because I like it very much, so I was saving this for the future. A lesson to learn. Just enjoy the happiness at that moment. Well, that's fine. We can find some other stuff to do. Okay, I think it's the time to start a new puzzle. I've previously finished another Yoshitomo Nara's puzzle, and the most difficult part, as you can see, there are many large areas of pure color. Maybe they're not that pure. There are some subtle difference. Look at these. Very excited. The first thing I'm going to do is to find all the pieces with this kind of edge. So they will form the four sides of the whole puzzle. Like roughly organize them according to color. Here. Well, I was thinking to do the puzzle for the whole night, but Xiao just texted me and invite me to her place to have dinner and play games together. So later I'm going to her place. Good morning! I have to say, friends are the best. I feel much more energetic and much happier today because last night we had a really good time. So today I am going out. I'm going to walk around in the city center, and also I'm buying a birthday gift because today is Xiao's birthday. Okay, let's go! I'm back. Let's try the bread. So this flavor is vanilla custard. So big. Wow, this is really good. Forgot to film it. This is the tiramisu flavor. I actually prefer this one. This is also really good. Good morning. Today's breakfast is bagel. So today's plan is staying at home and doing something healing, therapeutic, chill, relaxing. I am planning to finish this Legos typewriter. Honestly, I don't know if I can finish this one in a day because it has more than 2,000 pieces. And by the way, this is a present from Xiao and Midong. Thank you guys so much. And since this is a typewriter, Lego also gives the letter itself. So after I finish the typewriter, I can just put the letter into it and pretend I'm typing this letter, which is very cute. And here is one sticker. Finally! It's all done. I hope I didn't make any mistake. Ooh, it's raining outside. It was also rainy yesterday. I feel like I made a good choice. Today is really suitable for indoor activity like Lego. Although I don't like rainy days that much, I do feel calm when it's raining outside.
Hello, nice day, good morning. 좋은 언제나 네 곁에서 느꼈던 행복.
Now let's finish the typewriter. I have one last bag. Let me show you guys the current outcome. This is what we've got so far. So cute. Do you guys see that?
옷깃 멋지고 맵시 고치고 오늘은 기분이 좋아 너의 문자에 괜히 또 설레네 애타는 내 마음을 더 난 또 불안해져 너를 만나면
Done. This is so pretty.
일단 만나러 가 어차피 넌 내 destiny.
Today's lunch is 부대찌개. It's very risky to wear white clothes while eating 부대찌개. So, I'm ready. And I'm drinking diet lemonade. Spam. 두부두부두부.
옷깃 멋지고 맵시 고치고 오늘은 기분이 좋아